If you've ever opened up the WordPress Customizer only to stare at a blank, endlessly loading screen, or maybe your changes just won't show up, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix the WordPress Customizer preview not working. By the end of this video, you'll know a set of practical troubleshooting steps to get that live preview running smoothly again, regardless of what's causing the issue on your site. Let's dive straight in with some basic browser and cache fixes. Sometimes the culprit is simply old, stored files in your browser. I recommend starting by clearing your browser's cache. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete, or on a Mac, CMD+Shift+Delete. Make sure to select cached images and files, not just cookies. Clearing this out gives your browser a fresh start, which can often resolve those pesky endless loading spinners. If you're still not seeing a change, try launching your site in incognito or private mode. This step makes sure that none of your browser extensions, like ad blockers or password managers such as Dashlane, are getting in the way. You might be surprised how often a browser extension quietly causes display issues. Next, a super common and easy to miss issue is mismatched website URLs. Head to Settings, then General in your WordPress dashboard and double-check. Does your WordPress address match your site address exactly? Pay close attention to HTTP versus HTTPS. Even one letter off can break the Customizer preview. This is a really subtle trap, so don't skip it. If you still don't have a working preview, it's time to look at possible plugin and theme conflicts. Plugins are fantastic for adding features, but sometimes they don't play nicely together. Go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and temporarily deactivate everything. If the Customizer suddenly works, you found evidence that a plugin is the problem. Reactivate them one by one, checking the Customizer each time to catch the troublemaker. If all your plugins check out, try switching to a default WordPress theme like 2026 or 2024. This can reveal whether your active theme is to blame. For a super safe way to test, you can install the Health Check and Troubleshooting plugin. This tool lets you diagnose issues without affecting your live visitors. Think of it like putting your site in a safe sandbox just for troubleshooting. Now let's tackle common technical blocks. Sometimes just refreshing your permalinks can help. Go to Settings, then Permalinks, and click Save Changes without editing anything. This forces WordPress to update key settings behind the scenes, kind of like giving the plumbing a quick flush. Also, drop into Appearance, then Menus, and look for any menu items highlighted in red. Broken or outdated links, especially to pages you've deleted, can actually stop the Customizer from showing properly. For stubborn issues, you may need to adjust some server settings. If you have lots of plugins or a hefty theme, WordPress may simply run out of memory. You can increase your PHP memory limit by editing your wp-config PHP file. Add the line define WP memory limit, 256 MB, just before the line that says that's all, stop editing. This gives WordPress extra breathing room. Additionally, open your browser's developer tools, usually by pressing F12, and check the console for any red error messages. These can pinpoint problematic scripts. If you see a totally blank screen, try adding define concatenate scripts false to wp-config PHP. This tells WordPress to load scripts one by one, which can sidestep JavaScript conflicts. Remember, it's completely normal to work through these steps methodically. Sometimes the fix is quick, and sometimes it takes a bit of detective work. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions down in the comments and let me know what solved it for you. And of course, hit subscribe for more easy website tips just like this. Thanks for watching, good luck, and happy customizing.